Welcome to another Wise Maths Online Science video. This is a GCSE question. It's worth 3 marks and it's towards the back end of the higher paper. So let's have a quick look at what it's asking for. We've been told 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of n all over the cube root of 2, and also that 2 to the power of y is equal to root 2 but to the power of 5. Now it also tells us that given that x plus y is equal to 8, work out the value of m. Now the first thing that I would do over here on this particular question is see if I can manipulate this to something appropriate. So let's rewrite that down. 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of n. Now there's a divide sign there, so I'm going to write that down over here. This is the equivalent of divide, and I'm going to rewrite this down. This is the equivalent of 2 to the power. Because it's a cube root, what it is, we can write it down like this, 2 to the power of a third. So what we do, we'll write it down like that. Then we should know if the bases are the same and it's a division, we can subtract them. So therefore 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of n minus a third. Now, seeing that the bases are the same, therefore we can derive the fact that x is equal to n minus a third. N minus a third. Now what I'm going to do is have a look at the other one over here, the 2 to the power of y. So let's create a little margin over here. And then what we'll do, we'll have a look at this. We will have 2 to the power of y. We have 2 to the power of y over here. Let me change the color of pen. 2 to the power of y is equal to, now this is, it's almost like it's a square root, so therefore it's 2 to the power of a half. However, everything is being multiplied to the power of 5. So therefore we can rewrite that down as 2 to the power of y is equal to 1 times 5 is 5. So it's 2 to the power of 5 over 2. One more time, as we can see the bases are the same, therefore the powers must be equivalent. So therefore y is equal to 5 over 2. Now, we've been told that x plus y over here is equal to 8. So let's use this key factor over here. So let's rewrite that down. X plus y is equal to 8. Well, we know what x is now. X is actually n minus a third. So let's write that down. X minus a third. And we know that the y value of y is 5 over 2. All of this is equal to 8. Let's put this down as a common denominator because I've got two fractions over here. I can clearly see that 6 is the common denominator out of these two. So let's write that down. And then let's take it from there. We have n over here. 2 times 3 is 6, so therefore I must multiply my numerator by 2, so therefore you get 2 over 6. And then 2 times 3 is 6, so therefore I must multiply my numerator by 3. So that's going to work out to be plus 15 is equal to 8. Now let's tidy that up over here. Therefore you get n minus 2 plus 15 is plus 13 over 6. Plus 13 over 6, which is equal to 8. I'll draw another little margin because I'm running out of space over here. Let's just carry on from over there. And then therefore, you will get n is equal to, the inverse of plus 13 over 6 is minus 13 over 6. So let's write that 8 minus 13 over 6. What I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite my 8 as a denominator of 6. So that would be equivalent, 6 times 8 is 48. So that's equivalent 48 over 6 minus 13 over 6. And that should lead us to n is equal to 35 over 6. Now, you could make that into a proper fraction, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. Thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much. That really appreciates I would really appreciate it. That also encourages me to make more videos. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a lovely day.